Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jake Gallen here with Emblem Vault, and today I'm going to teach you how to unvault your Cursed Ordinals and bring them back to a self-custodial wallet. So here we go. Here we are with our Pepe Cursed Ordinal minus 54718, and we're going to import it into Sparrow Wallet. And the reason why we're using Sparrow Wallet is that it offers coin control, and at the time of this recording, it is the only Bitcoin wallet that offers Cursed Ordinal support because of that coin control feature. Things could have changed by the time you're watching this, but at the time of this recording, Sparrow is that only wallet, and I highly recommend becoming very familiar with it. It is a very useful tool when you're engaging in these kind of like edge case and frontier like protocols here on Bitcoin. So you're going to open up the vault and we're going to scroll down. You can see here, right? This is your Cursed Ordinal, and you can even hit view NFT and it'll show you on ordinals.com. That's where you want to see, because that's where we're indexing. You could even check and see the address that it shows, BC1P13, and you can come down here and look BC1P13. So it is in fact in there. So we're going to unlock the vault, we're going to get the private keys, and we're going to import it into Sparrow so that you can then take the asset and send it or do whatever you like, and that it's not here. I do want to say that once you do unlock the vault, it does burn the NFT. This is an unreversible transaction. The NFT, the ERC721 token, gets sent to the null address, the burn address, it reveals the private keys, and so then you can take the seed phrase and paste it into a different wallet. The reason why we do that is for security reasons. We don't want people seeing the private key and then selling it on the free market, knowing that they can extract it anytime. So that is a huge, huge security thing. You can always back up the vault. That's the other button. So you're going to come here, click unlock vault. It's going to be a gas transaction. It is showing me here $6 to unlock the vault at 15 Gwei. If you do this on the weekend, you can get it even cheaper because it is a lower gas cost when you're unlocking the vault versus vaulting it. So a little bit cheaper. You could probably get this down to $4 or $3 over the weekend if you do it the right time. So we're going to go here. We're going to hit confirm. And you can see here it says claiming your vault, which means that it's burning the NFT again. And then it's going to give you the option to reveal the private keys. You see down here too, down in the address, it's showing here as well. So claiming the vault. And you'll see here now the page will refresh, and then we could click get keys, and we're going to bring it back to Sparrow Wallet. So here we go. So once it repopulates, you're going to come down here and get keys. I want to note as well, if this screen doesn't load for some reason, it's frozen, you leave and accidentally exit out of the browser, you're going to go up here to My Vaults, and you're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on Curated, and then click on Unlocked, and it will bring you back to your assets. So we're going to click on Get Keys, and it's going to say Claim. It's a message. It's a gasless transaction that you click on to get the keys. And once you're done, it will display. So you see here, you can't see this because I don't want you to steal my assets, but you have your mnemonic phrase and the Taproot private key. So you're going to copy the mnemonic phrase. This is BIP39, so it's 12 words. So you're going to come down here and copy it. Then you're going to open up your Sparrow Wallet. As you can see here, there's a bunch of different things that you could do on the side. You're going to go up to the top and click File, and then you're going to click Import Wallet. And so when you're doing this, you can see here, right? It says mnemonic words. You're going to come down here. You're going to click 12 words. And then you're just going to paste that bad boy in there. Of course, you can't see this again. And you'll see it says Discover Wallet. That fills in when you know that you've pasted in the right words. So we're going to hit Discover. And you can see down here where it says Discover, right? There's a little timer right there. So that's the wallet reading the keys and matching up. So once we go from there, enter a name for this wallet. I'm just going to call it Pepe Tutorial. Hit Create Wallet. And once you do that, then it says add a password. I'm going to add a password. I highly recommend to do so. Make sure that you always remember what you're doing. And then you'll see up here, oh, that's a different transaction. So you're going to come down here. We're going to go to Sparrow. And then boom, you can see this right here. That's a transaction. We're doing this on June 14th. The value is 20,000. All Cursed Ordinals are padded with 20,000, at least the ones from Looks Ordinal. You come down here and see your addresses, and right here, that's this is that ordinal. This is the Pepe one that we just brought back. So congrats. You have now successfully brought your Pepe. From here, you could click and you could go send it to Sparrow, or you could go send it to a different wallet, or wait for another marketplace to add support so that you could go sell it natively. But it's up to you what you want to do with it. This just shows that you've now brought your ordinal from the Emblem Vault to a self-custodial wallet to do as you please. Congrats, and we'll see you guys next time.